Most people building streaming, gaming, and content creation PCs are still buying power supplies the same way that they did 10 years ago. Just grabbing whatever wattage you need and getting it at the cheapest price possible. And that's actually a problem now. Let me tell you exactly why, and let me tell you a little bit about the Montech Century 2 1050 watt power supply and the couple of reasons why I ended up going with this power supply. First and foremost, the biggest reason I am currently using this power supply in my computer is because Montech sent it over to me for free to test out, to play with, and to use, which I am almost never going to turn that down. So I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Montech, but that also did not influence this video at all. It did not influence anything I'm about to say. They didn't ask me to say anything particular. They just wanted me to take a look at it. So thank you, Montech. I appreciate it. Moving on to number 2, this thing is future-proof for the next couple of generations, especially when it comes to your graphics card. ATX 3.1, PCI 5.1 ready. This has the native 12-volt cable, plug-in and cable for all of your high-end graphics cards right now. All the RTX 5000 and hopefully RTX 6000 series will be able to connect up to this power supply. No adapters needed. Hopefully no fire hazard worries. This can be a huge deal for streamers and creatives who are building the highest end machines and upgrading their streaming PCs in the future. This can be a really, really big deal. And now I'd just like to say here, this is where my camera decided to die, so I plugged it in versus using a battery, but you can only unbox something once. So unfortunately, the rest of that video doesn't exist, but that's okay. It's just unboxing a power supply. Let's move on to actually installing that power supply. And the next reason why I really, really enjoy this power supply is that it has the 2x power excursion support. Now, most power supplies offer some sort of boost of what they are offering as far as wattage going into it, but not like this. 2 times the rated wattage and 3 times the GPU excursion, meaning this is not gonna choke when you have spiky GPU loads that happen when you're gaming and streaming and capturing all at once. This can be huge when you are streaming and you don't want something to die. This power supply is going to handle this very gracefully. The fourth reason why I really like this Century 2 power supply, the dual efficiency certifications, 80 plus gold and the Cybernetics Platinum. Might be an unusual combination, but it means that efficiency has been verified by 2 independent organizations. Lower electricity bills, higher efficiency, less heat, all that kind of stuff. You're losing less power, more of it's actually going to your machine. Gotta love that. And the last reason why this power supply is going to be in my machine for a while to come is because they offer that 10-year warranty. And that's at a $100 price point for this power supply. The price to warranty ratio is genuinely amazing, and for a fully modular high spec unit like this, it doesn't get much better. So absolutely love this power supply. Have been using it in my computer since I got it, have had 0 issues, and can't wait to have this power supply for a while to come. It's going to be able to support anything that comes out next generation of GPUs, whenever that might be. Thank you for checking this video out. Make sure you check out this one on the screen right now. YouTube thinks that you might like it. Cheers. We'll see you in the next one.